our training. I'm so excited to have you on board, and this is web development training. We're going to be using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, MySQL, and all that to develop a full working website. So it's going to be a very exciting period, and so please, we want you to pay so much attention to everything we are going to teach you in this platform. Just as you know that web developers are big guys in town, they are making a hell of money, and you can be one of them. So please follow us. I need to introduce myself for us to know whom you are really dealing with. My name is Godi Amaka. I'm a web developer, graphic designer, software developer, and also coding instructor. You can contact us for any of our business, for any of this, and we'll be glad to be there for you. Okay, so let's move on. What you need for this training: number one, you need computer desktop or a laptop. We also need a text editor. Later we're going to be installing that, how to install it, and the link to install that, we're going to be sending it to you. And also you need internet connection sometimes when you need to download some of our tutorials, video tutorials. Okay, now what you will learn in this training is introduction to HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. And of course, not just an introduction, we will take you through the intermediate and to also advance, and how to publish or launch your website, how to create website with HTML, CSS, and so on, how to create form validation with JavaScript, how to publish your website online. These are and many more is what we are going to be learning in this training. Okay, what is a web designer? A web designer is a process of creating a content with the intent of presenting it on electronic web pages, which the end user can access through the internet with the help of a web browser. This is what website is all about, and this is what we are focusing on, how to design. And this is a big task out here, because a lot of companies need a website, and you can be one of those developers that will be developing website for companies, small business owners, and so on and so forth. So it's going to be an interesting time together. I would like you to pay attention to every of our trainings, and I guarantee you will not regret signing up for this. It's going to be a full 1 month training, and we like you to practice every bit of it, because without practice you cannot be a good web developer. So we want you to be practicing everything that we will be teaching during the program. We're going to be sending a lot of tutorials for you to go through, a lot of tutorials for you to practice step-by-step ways on how to develop a website from the scratch to the point that you publish it online. So thank you so much. Thank you for being part of this. We'll see you in our next video. Thank you.